Okay. Okay, everything is masked up here. It's ready to spray. I spray this one with a rust converter first. So after the rust converter dried, I can spray it with the final rust paint. Okay. Spray this one first. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna spray this wheels here, and we're gonna color it with the close same color as my car. It will match a little bit. So this is glossy polish green color code. Cubic color, metal cast for aluminum and metal or bare metal. So it's heat resistant, it's a high heat. So this is good for the wheels. Okay, let's spray right now. Take it. So here we go, guys. I noticed that this green anodized metal cast paint looks like didn't cover pretty much for the bare metal. I think I'm gonna put some primer first so that it will cover the bare metal there. So maybe if I put 2 to 3 coats, it will cover that thing, the rust. But looks like it's hard. It's hard to cover the thing. And I have only 3 bottles of that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use this H primer first so that it will cover the bare metal, and then I'm gonna apply the green one, the metal cast. Okay, let's do that. See, it's better. Okay, it's already primed. Now we can apply this one. Okay, that's the first coat. We're gonna let it dry and put the second coat later. So I'm gonna do this one. That's good. So second coat. heat and coat is done. Let's wait until it's dry and we're gonna give a third coat and that's it. So now the rust converter is dry. I'm gonna top coat this rust paint, trim flat, this area here, the center. Yeah. Now we can take the tape off. There you go. Good. Now we can put the drum. Now the drum is dry ready. It's painted with high heat. We can put it on. Cool. I gotta put the other side too. Here's the right way side. Drum, dry and smooth. We put it on. Good. No more rust. Beautiful. This car is for show now. Beautiful. Wow, nice and smooth. Perfect. Other side too. Nice and smooth. Beautiful Toyota Corolla. Okay, here, let's gonna do a final shot here. Third coat. Go for the camera here. More. There you go. That's good. Take a look. There you go. Okay, we're done painting this. It's ready to unmask. Let's put unmask this thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna let it dry first. I'm gonna stick the masking tape on the valve after it's gonna dry because I don't want to touch the thing. Okay guys, right here I took the struts of this 92 Toyota Corolla, so I'm going to replace the whole 4 strut with this. And right here you can see here it's compressed already, the spring. I took it off already here. So this Toyota Corolla is easy to take off this.